Hello viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make milk powder coffee. Let's get started. Now I am taking 2 spoons of milk powder. Now add water. Mix well without lumps. Our milk powder milk is ready. I am taking 1 cup of milk, that is 250 ml. Okay, keep it aside. For 1 cup of coffee, I am taking this brew packet, 2 rupees brew packet. Empty the pack and add some water to dissolve the coffee powder. Mix well. Now let's get started for coffee preparation. Now add 1 cup of milk powder milk. Let it boil. While milk started boiling, now add coffee water. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Milk powder coffee is ready. Now switch off the flame and serve hot. Now add sugar as per your taste. I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar for 1 cup of coffee. Milk powder coffee is ready. Thanks for watching the video.